Hello everyone, this is Jaco from Facade Window Machinery. I'm now in our aluminum window and door assembly plant. Today I will show you our machining center. Here you can see this is our 5-axis machine center. This machine mainly used for processing aluminum window and door and curtain wall profile. Firstly, I would like to introduce the machine features. The first point is this machine adopts a full type design. It's very easy to operate for operator, and it can realize the ERP software online. Also, it can scanning code and realize the automatic processing. The second point is this machine have a high degree automation. One-time clamping, it can finish, it can complete all the processing work, such as water slot milling, log hole milling, balanced hole milling, and end surface milling. Also for the log mounting hole milling. The third point, you can see this machine for the structure. This machine adopts moving beam, and it adopts gantry type, like C type. It can improve the rigidity of machine. The fourth point is this machine adopts a 5-axis machine head. This machine head can process arbitrary angle. It can realize arbitrary angle processing, except the bottom surface. The next point is this machine equipped with central lubrication system. It can realize the timing and quantitative automatic feeding. The next point is this machine equipped with the servo motor. We adopt the Alwa brand. You can see. Also, we adopt for the motion system, we adopt the ball screw and square linear reel. It has the advantage of high precision and more stable and more reliability. Also, you can see for the tool magazine, we adopt the disc type. It can realize the automatic change tool. Normally, this machine equipped for the standard configuration. We equipped 8 tools for this machine. The next point is this machine adopts a pneumatic clamping system. It can realize the automatic positioning. Also, it can realize the quick loading and unloading. It can improve the working efficiency. For the main parameters, the spindle power is 12 kilowatt, and the total power is 25 kilowatt. The big power and high reliability. For the machining accuracy, this machine, the positioning accuracy is 0.03 millimeter, and the repeated positioning accuracy is 0.01 millimeter. So no worry about the machine accuracy. For the axis traveling, the x-axis traveling is 7,000 millimeter. The y-axis traveling is 1,000 millimeter. The z-axis traveling is 550 millimeter. Also, you can see this machine equipped with cooling system for spindle. It can make sure the stability of the operation. For the main accessories, here is our cabinet. You can see. For the control system, we adopt OSAI from Italy. For the electrical components, we adopt Schneider brand. For relay, we adopt Aluminium brand. Also, you can see for the servo driver, we adopt Yaskawa. The next, let our engineer to make a demonstration for this machine. Firstly, put the profile on the work table. Automatic clamping system.你小心啊，小心。
看机头。你在这解释着换刀。
Automatic change tools. You can see now we use the saw blade. Automatic positioning system.
你拍的时候呢？
我刚拍的时候我就从那拍，那个不好拍。Now we select the cutting angle 90 degree. Then 45-degree cutting. automatic change tool. And then the machine head will be moved to the tool magazine to select the tools. Automatic change tool. Now we process the front side. Next, we process the back side. You can see the movement of machine head. It can realize the arbitrary angle processing. Now let us see the processing result. You can see there is no burst. Also you can see the
这边45，那边是90。
cutting result. This is 45-degree cutting. It's 90-degree cutting. You can see the front side, the milling result. There is no burst. For the operation system, you can see this machine adopts the Windows interface. It's a human design. It's very easy to operate for new operators. For the control system, for the process controller, we adopt OSAT from Italy. And this software can make programming. It's a program for making programs. Here we show you how to operate this computer. Firstly, how to use this software. Firstly, we select the file. It's a NCX file. And then the file will upload to the CamProx software. You can see your needed machining holes. And then we generate this file to programming, and then we select the tools and optimize, and then it will generate a NC file. and then click this button. The machine will be automatic machining. 好了。